Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation Assessment Demo, Transformation Recommendations. In the last video, we have seen how to explore the in-depth analysis. This provides a summary of key resource utilization and complexity metrics for the queries that are recommended for transformation to modern data platform. Based on the thresholds for resource utilization, query complexity and execution time, assessment auto-generates actionable recommendations. Key resource utilization summary for input files. Recommendations for the jobs or orchestrator scripts that should be transformed first. It also highlights the total queries and entities it uses and impacts. Click through it for more details. End-to-end lineage shows complex interdependencies that exists between the workloads. This shows schema optimization recommendations for the target that includes partitioning, clustering and number of buckets, and much more. The summary page shows application-wise schemas that are recommended for transformation to modern data platform. Download detailed reports from here which is covered in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.